Don't mind those who are wasting their time crying on television. Have you seen where a candidate is going to INEC to collect CTC? Have you seen where a candidate will be going to INEC and want to go and collect CTC? What are your lawyers doing? What are agents doing? Those are duties of lawyers. What CTC do you want to collect? Can people see the truth of the matter? You lost the election, you lost the election. Even if you cancel the election 25,000 times in this state, you cannot win us in this state. Let the truth be told. How can people, you say people will read you? You say you made your presidential candidate to win. You say you made him to win. Maybe so. Your presidential candidate won, but you didn't get one Senate. What kind of winning is that? Who doesn't know who did it? Is he hidden? Look at people. Human beings cannot come out and say the truth. They supported PDP candidate and they lost woefully. They didn't get 25%. We supported a Southern president. It's not true. We did. We own apologies for equity, fairness, and what? Justice. And we took the Senate 3/3. We took 11 House of Reps out of 13. What can you do to us? Then at the state level, we gave you 32/32. We didn't keep one for them to tell them that we are responsible. We are in charge of this state. In fact, if not because of the time, I would have told them that we will cancel it. Let's go for the election. We are very, very good. Look at the projects we have done. Look at what every local government can attest to it. You are facing criminal charges of stealing our $50 million US. And you want us to come and give you power. We are already saying, give us our $50 million. And you say we should give you power. Is that possible? You know how our people see politicians. They see politicians, they make promises. At the end of the day, they will not fulfill the promises. But this is one of our testimonies. The promise made, promise fulfilled. Remember, when I came on board, this road was awarded to your children, but the road was not completed. Was it not true? Was it completed? When I came, I told you I was going to complete this road, and I took it to Bodo. Did I do it? Did I do it? Now look at what this school is. Tell me why this school cannot compete to say it can be converted to a polytechnic or university. Tell me how. Tell me where you can see any government-owned school. Government-owned, not private school. Even in private school, the top class of private schools that you see, I don't think anyone can beat what we have today. Look at the landscaping alone. As I was coming in, I said, are we going to a wrong site? Is it really the school that we are coming to commission? To God be the glory. Let me also use the opportunity to thank the people of Gokana. No wonder you had a child that was running for governorship. You abandoned your child and supported us. And we won in this local government. Who will see good thing and follow bad thing? Who will see this type of project given to you from outside? You had your children when they were in power in this state. Did they give you something like this? Why would people talk about rigging? Well, how do you look at the rigging here? This is the school. Is it not the rigging? Who will provide this kind of facility? And you will ignore the president and say you won't vote for the people. Look at it. If politicians can fulfill promises made, this country would have been better off. It is not as if the money is not there. It is commitment.